Hey everyone, and welcome back to your English fluency lesson. Today, we are going to talk about plans and intentions, and it is my intention to make this lesson as easy as possible for you. So let's take a look at our first sentence, which is, I'm planning to visit my friend next weekend. Oh, well, that's a good plan, right? That sounds like something fun to do. Maybe we haven't seen each other in a long time. So let's smooth this out so we can deliver it fluently. I'm planning. Here it is. I'm planning to, not to, to, to. To is easier to blend with anything than to. See my lips? To makes it hard to go to the next word. So while we can say to perfectly clearly, in this sentence, it's really weird, right? It's going to go hard for the next word. So I'm planning to visit. See? Nice and easy, right? I'm planning to visit who? Here we go. Who? We got our break. I'm planning to visit my friend. I'm planning to visit my friend. Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. We have three pieces right now. When? Fourth piece. Next weekend. Next weekend. There's no T on next. Next weekend. Yeah, a lot of the times the T isn't said, but there it was in my sentence just now. So we have to learn these fluency things when that T isn't spoken. Okay, let's put this together. I'm planning to visit my friend next weekend. Repeat after me. I'm planning to visit my friend next weekend. Think about your tone. You're happy, so it should be an up tone, right? I'm planning to visit my friend next weekend. Happiness. Tone up means happiness. I'm excited means speed. Speed does not mean fluency. It means excited. So don't get confused. Let's take a look at our second sentence, if I can scroll this up here. We're going to have a party next Friday. Yeah, that sounds like fun. Okay, let's make it nice and smooth. We're good. That's not really smooth at all, is it? We're going. They don't blend. So we're gonna speed that up just a little bit. Not excited speed, just fluency speed, right? We're going to, there's that "t" again, right? We're going to have a, ooh, "t," see how they rhyme? We're going to have a, not to, we're going to have a, there, they rhyme. We're going to have a party when? Next Friday. T disappeared, didn't it? The faster I said it, the less T we had on next. So remember that. Let's put that together. We're going to have a party next Friday. Repeat after me. We're going to have a party next Friday. Tone all the way up, right? We are happy. It's a party. Parties are fun. They don't give you crippling anxiety and self-doubt. They're fun, okay? We're going to have a party next Friday. It's going to be fun. And we can change those details to anything we want, right? Our third sentence is, he intends to start his own business next year. Ambitious, right? He intends to start his own business next year. Let's smooth that out so it's easier for him. He intends. Yin. Put a Y sound there, right? Yin. He intends, no D, right? 10. Okay? He intends to. He intends to start. He intends to start his own. He intends to start his own business. He intends to start his own business next year. next year. We separate it to show that it is time-based, okay? He intends to start his own business next year. Next year, not tomorrow. That would be closer, right? He intends to start his business tomorrow. No shortness of time. Wait, it is a shortness of time. It's tomorrow. It's really fast, right? But next year, we act out that it's in the future, okay? So repeat after me. He intends to start his own business next year. When's he going to do that? Oh, he intends to start his business next year. I forgot the word own. Oops, I'm sorry. He intends to start his own business next month. Next year. Next month. See how it was shorter? We shrunk the time to reflect the time, okay? Try and kind of make these connections as we go. You'll see this pattern, but you don't have to always do it. But when we are delivering something fluently and really well spoken, right? Really well done, we'll have these little things in there. The listener appreciates it a ton. The message is delivered more clearly, okay? This is high-level speaking. Let's go on to our next sentence, our fourth sentence, which is, she's thinking about moving to a new city. Fun or horrible, I don't know. Maybe it's for a job. Maybe it's for a boyfriend. Maybe it's for a girlfriend. Maybe it's for a change of scenery. Who knows, right? That's where the tone of our delivery can kind of give that answer when we say this sentence. So let's smooth it out. She's thinking. The S connects, right? She's thinking about move. She's thinking about move. She's thinking about moving. She's thinking about moving. Where? She's thinking about moving to a new city. To a new city. She's thinking about moving to a new city. So, how do we want to say that? Well, let's be optimistic the first time, right? So repeat after me. She's thinking about moving to a new city. Maybe we're not on the same page as her now, right? Maybe we're not against it, her moving, but we're not also really supporting it. We're kind of judging it a little bit. We're questioning whether it's a good move. So what's she doing? Oh, she's thinking about moving to a new city. You could tell. You could tell that I'm not really sure that's a good idea for her. But I didn't say that. I just convey that meaning in the way that I said it. So remember, your delivery changes the meaning of everything in English. Take a look at the fifth sentence. We're definitely going to the concert next month. We're definitely going. We are definitely. Yes, definitely is the standout word in this sentence, right? Or it's the negative word. I'll show you. Both meanings are here. Let's go with our excited thing. Okay, this is a concert I want to go to, right? So I'm going to emphasize the word definitely. Watch. We're definitely. It's clear. I'm excited, right? My tone is going up. We're definitely going. We're definitely going where? To the concert next month. The fact that I'm definitely going is more important than the whole subject, to the concert next month. So it jumps out at you. You know from that I'm excited about this concert. I can't wait for this concert. We're definitely going to the concert next month. Yeah, be silly if we didn't go. Of course we are. Okay, now, maybe I really don't want to go, right? Maybe I really don't want to go. So I'm going to convey definitely in a negative way. Watch. Where are you going? Oh, we're definitely going to the concert next month. Even without the facial movements, right? You know, I don't want to go. I don't. So be careful how we say things, right? Let's practice, okay? Repeat after me. We're excited. We're definitely going to go to the concert next month. Hmm. Now, we don't want to go. Okay? Repeat after me. We're definitely going to go to the concert next month. Mm. Use that power as you will, okay? That is a cool skill to have. Use it how you will. Let's take a look at our sixth sentence, which is I hope to buy a house in a few years. This is an optimistic statement if I ever heard one, right? In the next few years, it's a short-term goal, okay? So we should be positive, right? We're talking about hope. I hope, okay? So remember this in our in our tone, right? In the way we say it. So let's break this down. I hope, I hope, we're going up, right? I hope, where's that ta again? I told you it's to buy. It's hard, right? I hope to buy. I hope to buy ya. We blend it, ya. I hope to buy a house. I hope to buy a house when? I hope to buy a house in the next. I hope to buy a house in a I hope to buy a house in a few years, in a few years. There's our piece. When? In a few years. Okay, we've got our rhythm. I hope to buy a house in a few years. Repeat after me. I hope to buy a house in a few years. Hmm. I hope to buy a house in a few years. I believe in myself. I am optimistic. I believe that I can do this. I can achieve this goal, this hope, right? Or we could change the time and make it a negative thing. I hope to buy a house in my life. That means I don't really think I'm going to get a house, right? I don't think I'm going to have a chance to afford a house in this new world. Okay, I'm just joking. Okay. But we know the tone that we deliver this sentence changes its meaning. And that is our sixth sentence. I hope you had a good lesson on intentions and delivering them fluidly. Now, let's talk about our next lesson. It's going to be about expressing preferences and making choices. Another one. Yeah. Because there's lots of preferences we have and lots of choices we can make and lots of ways we can make choices and lots of preferences. Yeah, there's lots we can do. And I'll see you in that next lesson. Bye.